Dylan Thomas joins us live tonight in Fort Collins. Dylan, housing experts tell you these spiking interest rates are causing people to second guess buying a home.
Yeah, Karen, here in northern Colorado, homes have appreciated around 5% a year for several years now. But specifically here in Fort Collins, in 1 year, homes jumped 20%. But with interest rates doubling compared to what they were just last year, one local realtor tells me that buyers are either reconsidering how much money they're going to spend or they're considering different types of loans they may not have before. He would know. He's not just a realtor, but he's also in the market to buy.
Buyers right now are second guessing themselves. Is this the time? Will I be able to afford this house? And by the way, interest rates are going up so quickly that what they qualified for yesterday is not what they qualify for now.
It's a trend realtors like John Holston have seen developing in recent months as the feds continue to battle inflation by jacking up interest rates.
So that's got people scared because you hear 0.75%, and people think that translates to 0.75% on their home mortgage. Not the case.
While the federal and mortgage rates don't mirror each other, new borrowers can expect to pay higher rates. Because of that, buyers have been asking,
do I need to bring that price point down because of all my other expenses? And I think it's a very legitimate concern that people have, and that's where we're seeing a lot of hesitation. I myself am buying a house right now, and as a real estate agent, it's a very concerning thing watching the rates go up.
Colorado's market is still hot, even as prices level out. But housing experts don't see a crash coming anytime soon.
People who go, I'm going to wait for the market to settle down, I'm going to wait for prices to come down, it's a very risky game because there's a good chance that won't happen. And so that uncertainty causes people to go, time out, let me think about this a little bit. Is this a smart move right now? They're watching the interest rate go up very steadily right now, which means their payment is going up. Throw inflation in there, and what do you have coming? Nobody really knows.
Now, last year, when rates were at historic lows, most realtors would not have advised you taking out an ARM loan, which is when it's a really low rate to get you in, and then after a set period of time, it jacks it up. But now, with rates going on the rise, some say that might be worth the gamble to do now. In worst case scenario, you just refinance at a later time. Or if you simply want to keep it safe, consider cutting your budget. Some people dropping, for example, from $500,000 down to $475,000. Reporting live in Fort Collins, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
Dylan, good points there. A family